We'll guide you through how to download, install, and add texture packs or resource packs to Minecraft Java PC. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. As you probably know, texture packs and resource packs go and change how things are going to look in Minecraft. They go and change the texture. There's loads of different options you've got. You could go for a medieval pack, a modern pack, or just a more detailed option. So we're going to guide you through this step by step on how you can go and download, install, and add them and go and start using it. It's much easier than you probably think, but make sure it's this full guide, as we're going to go through everything you need to know, and let's go and dive straight into this. So what we're going to do for now is come and close out of this world, so we can pause up pressing escape, and you can go and press save and quit to title. So now just back on the home screen here. Now what we need to do is you need to go and open up a web browser of your choice. Just before we get any further, a big shout out to the sponsor of this video, Apex Hosting. They're my go-to place for a Minecraft server. If you're interested, there'll be a link down below in the pinned comment and the description. Right now, you can go and get a discount as well. If we come down, we can start checking out some of their great features. For example, you can go and see their 24/7 server support, so you can get help anytime you need it for your always online server. And you can also go and have automated backups, unlimited slots, and a free subdomain, and so much more as well. But to continue with the guide, what we need to do is go and find a resource and texture pack that you want. Now, there are different sites out there. You may have a specific pack in mind, and you can go to the original developer's site. Or if you want to go and browse, a great site I like to use is called CurseForge. Go and search for it, and we can come to curseforge.com. You may have seen us mention it in videos before. It's a really popular place for Minecraft mods, packs, and other things as well. So we can go and find Minecraft and click on it. Then what you can do here is press browse tool at the top, and over to the left, you can then come down the list and you can go and find the option for resource packs. Now we're going to come down here and go and see loads of different options. A really great pack I like is actually called Faithful. And what it can do is just goes and adds in, it makes more details and other things as well. So you can go and browse through here. Now, if you've got a pack in mind and you're unable to go and find it, as I said, you can always go to the developer's site. Now, I've actually gone and found it here. Here we have it. There's Faithful. Now, it's important to note there's different levels. So this is 32 times, and then we've got 64 times. The higher the amount here, the more detailed and pixels there are. So in this case, we'll go for the 64. Let's go and click on it. And then what you can do is you can go and check out the images and see if you like the look of it. Then at the top, you need to go and press files, and we can come down here. Now, when it comes to the game version, it's always best to try and use a pack which matches the game version. And you can go and open up your game and see I'm using 1.21.11. But this is different to Minecraft mods. You may know that if you go and use the wrong mod and the wrong mod loader, it definitely won't work. Packs do work, but of course, if there are new items added, then you're going to go and find those textures are missing. So it's always best to try and use the same game version, but if it is older, it's not the end of the world. It will still work, it's just not ideal. So let's say I want to go and get this one here, it matches the game version. I'll press the three dots to the right and press download file. Go and wait, shortly it's going to go and start downloading. You go and see a countdown here. And now it's gone and downloaded, as you can see. What you then want to do is you want to go and open up your file explorer, and you can press downloads to the left. And then here we have it here. So just make sure you can easily go and access it. And you can go and double click on it, and you should go and see the files here. When you go and double click on it, you should make sure you go straight into the files. If you find that you then see another subfolder, you need to go and drag that just into your downloads. You can select it and drag it into your downloads or into your desktop. Just make sure when you open it, it gets straight into those files there. Now, what we can do is we can come and return to Minecraft, and you want to go and press options. Then you want to go and find the option for resource packs. And here we are. Now, what you can do is you can go and see I've got other packs here. They're red, and this is because they're for an older version of Minecraft. As I said, these would still work, but textures may just be missing. So what we can do is press open pack folder. And now what we need to do is go and hover over our file explorer in our taskbar and open up the other one we had. Is I can go and drag this into here like so. Now I've added it, I can go and scroll down here. And as you can see, here it is. I can go and press the arrow, and that's going to move it over. You can go and have multiple packs, but just make sure this is on top, as in it's going to be used and prioritized. Press done, and Minecraft will then go and reload. As you can see, it goes and looks different, but I really like the look of this one.